everyone, how's it going? What's up? Snowstorm alert. So our area, I don't know what to believe.
It's gonna just rain. There's a green band straight through the right where it is.
Let's not listen to Dusty, because Dusty says this every time. Sometimes we get absolutely plastered with snow, and he's like over here saying, no, it wasn't supposed to happen. So we're not going to listen to him over here. Okay? So,
Nope.
Our area, there has been at least 15 different warnings. Okay? It says that we're going to get, one said 23.1 inches. We haven't seen that since the blizzard of 93 or 96. There's two. All right. And then one said 1 inch of snow. Sorry, that's a lie. 1 inch of ice was 8 inches of snow on top of it. If that happens, Dusty's scared that trees are going to fall on our home.
I mean, we got a big tree and an inch of ice is...
So I have decided that if that happens, I'm going to be outside making a wedge in the tree with an axe like they did in the old days. That way it can fall in the road. I'm not, but I don't think it would fall in the house anyway. It's kind of a hill. So if it fell, oh my gosh, have you guys seen that they are warning people of exploding trees?
Yeah, that's in the north. They get that up there.
That's crazy. I looked up the videos and they were just and splintering out. That was crazy. But anyways, so there's so many tales. We don't know. We're pretty good because I tell you guys, we prepare for emergencies. We are good on food. We are good on milk because we got the shelf-stable milk. We are good on toilet paper. We are good on paper. We are good on everything. We prepare for moments like this. We're good on milk still. We got the shelf-stable milk. There's no way I could buy milk anyways because everybody in this area. There was a man. I told you guys this, but I think you're going to see this video before you see the next. There was a man with 20 gallons in his buggy. People are so silly. Why? Goofy. Anyways, you're going to spend the day with us today preparing for the snowstorm. Snowmageddon. Snowpocalypse. By the way, I know I said that wrong, but Caitlin, she doesn't say words right sometimes. She forgets how to say them. And she thought I can't even say it right anymore. Apocalypse. I can't say it right anymore because Caitlin says it wrong so much, and I say it like her because I'm being silly. Apocalypse. It's apocalypse, but Caitlin calls it apocalypse.
Oh, that was good stuff right there.
Oh my gosh, I forgot how to say it because and Caitlin also says, instead of colander, like, you know, where you drain noodles, she calls it a gondolier. I'm like, Caitlin, that's a boat. That's a boat, homie. What was the other one she said? Oh, it's not the Pacific Ocean, it's Pacific Ocean. She just says words wrong and it's funny. But apparently I have been saying it like her for so long, I forgot how to say the right word. Anyways, so we're having the snowpocalypse.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh! What is it?
What are you? I don't know what you're trying to...
Apocalypse. Is it apocalypse? Update. So Colin and I haven't ate today, and we're eating at home, you know, for this whole month. But I looked, and I will put a screenshot here to prove that I'm not lying. We got free Chick-fil-A. I got a free chicken sandwich. He got a free chicken nuggets. But it said rewards sent from Knoxville. I don't even know Knoxville, but thank you, Knoxville, whatever. So that's nice. Preparing. Yeah, no. Oh, holy moly. Yeah, they have them everywhere.
I've done about 5 boggins.
That is price gouging if I ever seen it. For that,
$15 for the boggin?
10 for this one. This is plain Jane.
I dug a bunch of boggins out of Oh, you know all those bags you were looking for Christmas? Those paper bag things?
You found them.
Yeah.
Oh.
And boxes. There's so many.
I needed them, and you said they don't exist.
Well, they didn't exist because I couldn't find them, so therefore they didn't exist.
Saw some clear batteries.
I need to get some.
Batteries. Yeah.
I need to get some cough drops. Ryder's starting to get a little something, something. See, menthol. Which one's the best? I'll get both, just in case you start getting all icky too.
Hi, bud. They taste good.
I'm shocked there's one heater left. Normally that would have been gone, but oh, back there, everything's gone already.
I mean, so
how are they going to use it?
People buy them unless they got generators. I mean, which Harbor Freight sold out of generators right now too.
Yeah, you can make a heater with this, and I'm going to show everybody how. Hey.
This fat one.
What Kobe Jack will have to do. It's been over 2 weeks. I'm allowed to buy cheese now, and we actually need it. That's sharp. Oh, heck yeah, I found some sharp. Oh, wow. Not many tater tots left. Oh, got a singular banana.
No, it's just a pyramid.
Yeah. Oh. Apparently, potatoes are what people need to get by during snow. Oh,
Oh, dang. What are these supposed to be?
this is fun.
All potatoes. Well,
Good ones.
these ones.
Those. Hello, it's Future Brooke here. So today's video is sponsored by Iuga. So Iuga are my favorite leggings for under $20. And they are a fantastic Lululemon dupe. Iuga is a sports brand that's focused on comfort, committed to providing yoga enthusiasts with the ultimate comfortable experience. High value products and services. They have Butter Lab and Heat Lab technologies, specially developed for Iuga's comfort experience. And they are the trusted choice of over 5 million users. Recommended by multiple authoritative media outlets such as Yahoo, People, InStyle, Wirecutter, and so many more. Let's take a look-see at the first pair of leggings. These are the Iuga Power Tight Scrunch Butt. They have no front seam, they're high waist leggings, and they have pockets. Sold! I love pockets with my leggings. They are in the color ink gray. They are so soft. Can't wait to try these on. Oh, look at that. And I'm moving all around, and I'm trying to see how big the pockets are, and the pockets are pretty huge because I'm sticking my whole hand and wrist in it. And I'm like moving around just to see how good the elasticity is in the leggings, and it's pretty good because I can act silly and still be very comfortable. They are firm, snug, but not too tight. The next set of leggings that I got are the Iuga Power Tight Sandwich Scrunch Butt Lifting. They also have no front seam. They are compression leggings with pockets. I got them in the colors black and brown. They are also smooth as butter. One thing I noticed about these, they are compressions, but they don't really feel like compression leggings because they're so soft and they're still comfortable. A lot of times, compression leggings aren't very comfortable to me, but these, you can't even tell. They are still so comfy and you can like move around and do anything. They have invisible scrunch butt lifting. They are high waist and have tummy control. No front seam, which means it's smooth in the front, and they have 2 side pockets. These have supportive compression. They are snug fit, and they have breathable comfort, and they are shape enhancing. So they're going to show off your beautiful curves. I'm loving the sandwich waistband. The sandwich waistband provides you with excellent tummy control effects. I decided to stick my phone in my pocket just to see how big this pocket is. And it's pretty big, holds my whole phone. And now I'm going to move around just to make sure that that phone stays in place and doesn't flop out. I'm being all silly. Yeah, and it holds the phone pretty well. Last but not least, I have the Iuga Power Tie High Impact Padded Sports Bra. It's supportive, breathable, has a quick dry mesh liner. It's adjustable with 3 settings, hook and eye closure. And this goes very well with the leggings that I purchased. Everything is so smooth, buttery soft, not too revealing, and it keeps everything in place. You know, ladies, when you do your exercising or your yoga, your stretches, whatever it may be, you want everything to stay in place. This is a snug fit, yet it's still so comfortable. I love this, and it made me feel cute. I like it. And I love the buttery soft feel. It's my favorite. I didn't want to take these off, and I love working with Iuga because I love their products. And they have over 80,000 positive user interactions and feedback. Save 10% on orders $55 or more, and save 15% on orders $99 and more. Use my code MAMA25 to get an extra 25% off. Just click that link in the description box below down there and get you some really nice Iuga leggings. You know I'm all about saving money on my channel, and these Iuga leggings are incredibly soft and they are great quality for the price. The price is so massively low compared to other brands. Now, a lot of us have made New Year's resolutions to start exercising, start yoga, start a lot of different things. But you're going to need to get you some of these nice, comfy Iuga leggings. You won't regret it. They're comfy. They feel good. I wear them all the time, even when I'm cleaning. That I do. So be sure to click that link down below because the deal that they are giving you guys is so good. It is such a massively good deal. This is my grocery haul, household budget, snack budget haul for the week. Household. This is what we got going on. Cough drops. We needed some cough drops in this house. Ryder's got a little croup or something going on. Plastic drop cloths because I have an idea for this during this snowstorm. Also got 3 mini terracotta and 3 like medium 4-inch terracottas. We're going to have emergency heaters out of this. I did have some of this, but when we moved, the terracotta that I had was so old it broke. So I had to get some new terracotta for emergency heaters for this house. Dusty needed some beard wash. And feminine products. We know what that's for. Household this week, I put $45 aside because we had to get a few things considering the snowstorm. So it got a little bit of extra in it this week than I normally put in it. My budget was $45. We spent $39.18. We didn't really need any snacks this week. So I put $10 in the snack budget. Nobody's really snacky right now. So like the snacks that I got last week, it wasn't used for snacks. We used it for like lunches and stuff. So I just grabbed some strawberries. Like if we're snowed in this weekend, we can have some little sugar berries as a treat or something. Snack budget was $10. I spent like $6 on the strawberries. That was it. Here's my tiny itsy bitsy grocery haul. I didn't need much stuff. I still have milk. I have a little bit of produce left. I have some taters still, like a half a bag of taters. And I have some onions still yet. I have a little bit of frozen peppers. I had some I had a half of a pepper left over last week, and I just chopped it up and froze it. So I got a big old sack of chicken nuggets. It was finally time to get some cheese. I got some Italian style cheese, Colby Jack cheese, and extra sharp cheddar cheese. Fresh green beans so we can make these like asparagus. So good. Ryder Bray, love it. Tater tots. I was thinking I was going to make a tater tot casserole this weekend. Wanted a little bit of ease. Tonight we're having a rotisserie chicken. I'm going to do something with this for dinner so I can have it kind of easy because I've been cooking a lot. So my budget going in grocery shopping was $40. I spent a total of $34.29. We're trying to prep the house for this big old snowstorm. I think Dusty and the boys just winterized the camper and like put a huge cover over it and put the antifreeze and all the lines and all that. I am going to make sure I got the right sizes to all of my little emergency heaters. We have a kerosene heater. Dusty has, you guys know Dusty. He's prepared with a lot of things. We got a kerosene heater, we got a buddy heater, but buddy heater's for propane. And you can get carbon monoxide poisoning. Our kerosene heater is the no fume special kerosene additive. It's like safe for the house. And those can only be used in like certain areas of the house. So these little terracotta emergency heaters could help heat up like a little bathroom or bedroom. As long as it's being supervised, of course. But got this little baking pan. Tiny from the Dollar Tree. And I have a bunch of these little candles from the Dollar Tree. They're not scented. This is what you do. This is what you do. Got a lot of things going on here. So I got a candle. What I would do, I would put like 2 candles. Get my matches. I like to use matches rather than use lighters because you can run out of fuel. Ooh, and there was fire. Okay. Got these. Like so. I love the smell of a good match. So, the reason I got these tiny ones is to put around the candles like this. And you take your big ones and set it up like this. They're each sitting on top of this so that there's oxygen and there's space. But you can't feel it because this is a video, but you can clearly feel the heat coming out of this. It is amazing. These little doodads are amazing. You can even cook on this if you wanted to. Hey, Dusty! If you don't have access to like these little tiny ones, you could totally like get something else to put there, but you know, these are fire safe. That's why I got them. But this is a great emergency heater. Ow. He said ow. Because this is good. This is good. If you don't have any electricity, you don't have any emergency sources of heat, and you so happen to have some terracottas out on your porch, dump them out, clean them out, and make you some of these little makeshift emergency heaters. And put your family in a small room and seal up the doors and the windows. Cover the windows with a blanket, with trash bags, and just keep your family in the small room with all the windows and doors, the door frames covered. And if you have one of these little heaters, you can keep your family warm, because I don't know the science behind this. I just know that this is hot. It's hot. As you guys know, we like to prep for emergencies. Anything can happen. You never know. This being one of those that could possibly happen. I went and dug in my little tote where I keep like emergency items, and I bought these in the spring at the Dollar Tree. They're little clay pots as well. And I just threw that. And I have some tea light candles. I don't know how many tea light candles down there for just in case. We have tons of matches. I have so many of these little non-scented candles, or just in case we lose electricity and we need a little light somewhere. Also, I don't know if they still sell them, but this past summer Dollar Tree started selling them, LED emergency candles. So I have all of those set out. And I'm going to get a little basket and I'm going to put all of this in there. So it's there just in case if we need it by some chance. Because the way it's looking, we might need it. Let me blow up my little emergency heater. Ow, it's hot. I'm ready. I'm going to keep this set up just like it is. I blew everything out and I'm going to set I'm going to set a box of matches in there. And just to keep it together, I'm going to put another box of candles in here, just in case the candles that are in there burn out. And we should be good. I'm just going to sit this in the kitchen. I'm leaving it out so it's there when we need it and I don't have to go digging. I love these little wicker baskets. Braden actually made me a Mother's Day gift in this. And it's going to come in handy today, I tell you. So I'm just going to put our emergency candles in here. And I'm going to set it in the living room so it's there when we need it. Have those. Dusty's doing his own little thing as well. He's got a generator. It's a small generator and it can power our deep freezers and fridge if we need it to. We have a battery box. I've showed you guys that before. And so we got the kerosene heater. He has flashlights galore, batteries galore. We have emergency blankets. We have so much stuff to prepare for moments like this. But this is my little preps, and I'm just getting it prepared for my family. Putting a couple boxes of matches in here. I have an extra big terracotta. And then I have these 3 small ones. I can make another makeshift heater with these if I need to. Let's see. Just put these in here. Like so. Just in case. And all I'll need to do is get something metal to put it in. If I need to use another one, I have my little pie dish. It's my pie dish, but I can still use it. Okay, I got this ready. I'm going to put this in the living room. Cooking, if electricity goes out. I have a camping heater. I have a grill outside that has propane. I have all of these ways that I can cook for my family. Here's Kylan. So, in the blizzard of 1993, I was really little, but I remember it like it was yesterday. My mama, we all got snowed in at her house. And my mama had a kerosene heater, and she cooked us all like a big 5-course meal on top of a kerosene heater. So I can do that if I need to. But, did you know that this can be a stove? Let me show you how. Okay, Colin wants to know too. So, you gotta get your little muffin tin. Some of these tea light candles. Just sit it like this. You're going to light the candles. Preferably use stainless steel or an aluminum skillet or kettle or cast iron. But this is just what I'm demonstrating it with. And you're going to sit it on here and you're going to make sure that you leave little spaces. Get one small enough to leave spaces like that so oxygen can breathe. Fire will die if it doesn't have oxygen, and it can cook your food like this. Emergency heater. People in East Tennessee freak out when there's a threat of snow or ice. Granted, we don't get it a lot, and it is kind of scary. So there was no bread at the grocery store. I have a little bit left over here, but not enough. So your girl went to her pantry downstairs, my pantry, and where I keep like my big 5-gallon buckets, and I dug out bread flour. I got 4 packs of this up here, and I'm gonna home make some bread for us for the next maybe week. Yeah, it'll have to be. It's like a week's worth of bread. And I'm also considering that there might not be any electricity. So sandwiches, peanut butter sandwiches, stuff like that is going to be eaten a lot if that's the case. So I gotta make a few loaves. Before I get started on this bread, I need some coffee. It's been a day. I'm using my little Agatha all along cup. I'm a Marvel fanatic, if you guys didn't know. Me and Brayden love Marvel. I don't know if you knew this about me. I love Agatha all along. It's so good. And I love Wanda, the Scarlet Witch. Love it. Anyways, let's make some coffee. Alright, I have some ice in here, and I've been using this cold brew stuff. It's concentrate. And it's like equal parts coffee to equal parts water. It's pretty good. It's a heck of a lot cheaper than coffee at the coffee shops. A bit of creamer, vanilla. I'm telling y'all.
What?
I said, do you want a coffee?
Yeah. Can you just make it for me? Holler at me.
Yeah.
Or I'll just go.
Huh?
Yeah.
How big do you want it? Do you want a mason jar or do you want a cup?
Mason jar.
Let's make Ryder one now. He wants a small one in a mason jar. That's good coffee. I'm using my stand mixer to make this bread because it makes life a little bit easier. 2 cups of warm water. 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast. Quick rise yeast will do. One of you guys told me to spray the measuring cup that I need to measure honey in, so I'm going to try it, okay? Oh! Well, holy moly, look. That actually worked. Whoever told me this, you're pretty cool and I like you. A little mixy mix. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. 2. 3. This is bread flour. You can use all-purpose. Bread flour is kind of the same thing as all-purpose. It just has more protein and more glutinous something or another. I don't know the science, but it helps bread. That's a pretty shaggy dough. You see that? I don't think there's a lot of humidity in the air or something because normally it is more wet than that. So I'm just going to go in with a half a cup more and see what that looks like. I might not need the whole 5 cups. Just shows how humidity affects dough. That's crazy. I usually use a whole 5 when I make this. Okay. Well, this is what she looks like. I'm going to cover this with plastic wrap and stick it in my microwave and let it proof for an hour. It's been an hour and it's risen far beyond the bowl. Just sprinkle flour all over it. Let's make a mess. Punch it! And then turn it out. Cut it in half. Pretty much the same. Set one to the side. We're going to patty this out like a patty. Just make like a rectangle out of it. And you're going to roll it in on itself like this. My loaf pans, they have disappeared. So I got out the Dutch oven that I used to make sourdough, and I put a liner in it. I wet a towel with hot water and I put it over both of my loaves of bread, and I'm just going to let it chill here. It looks like this. I'm going to put it in the oven on 350 for 30 minutes. Oh, look at that. They're gorgeous. Now I'm going to put butter all over them. On a cooling rack. It's pretty. It's gorgeous. She's beauty and she's grace. She's white bread in your face. I'm stupid. So I cut it. This is what she looks like. It looks beautiful and soft. And Kylan's already dug into it.
Oh,
Oh, he passed out. I'm putting them in little bread bags that I have. Don't ask me why I have these. Sometimes I get ideas. I don't know. But it's coming in handy right now. I made bread. Vicky, say hello to everyone. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was all over the place. We had to do our weekly grocery shopping, household shopping, snack shopping, which wasn't much. And then we had to prepare for the snowstorm and make bread. Oh, it's been a day. It's been a day. I'm getting ready to go to bed. I'm tired. I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember, be positive, kind, happy. And I'll see you later, taters. Bye.